Back. In the previous video, we talked about the investigator creating the case manually and submitting it for the pending case creation approval. So now I will log in from the supervisor's role and approve that case. Let's log in. I will go to the cases tab. Here appears the cases dashboard, and as you can see, the fraud in AML case appears as pending case creation approval. I will click the case. Here you can see two things happening. First, the status is pending case creation approval, and in the task log, you can see a task created only for the supervisor approved case creation. Here, the supervisor can approve the case or reject the case. He can also reject the case from the case details section as well. He can approve the case as well. Now let's walk through the tabs briefly and then we'll approve and reject the case. So for the case detail, here appears the case information and the alert information and the attached transaction messages to it. Then comes the task log as we discussed before, which includes the approved case creation, the supervisor, unassigned status, created timestamp. And right now, since no action is performed, it appears at the action to be taken, which is approved case creation or reject case creation. In the case history, we can see when the case was created and when the task was created. In the comment history, we can see the comments as well. Right now, we have no comments, hence no comments appear here. We'll go back to the task log and approve the case from here. We'll talk about the rejection of the case in the next video. So I will approve the case. Now, since I have pressed the approve case creation button, you can see here a pop-up appears. Here, the supervisor should review all the details that the investigator has submitted for the case creation. The case type is fraud in AML, which is true. The case status is pending case creation approval, which is true. The priority is urgent and when it was created. You can also see the alert linked to it details as well. Now I will press the approve case creation. Once I press the approve case creation, what happens is we see three cases on the case dashboard. Now let's do that. You can see here the case information appears as fraud in AML. We have two subcases created, fraud as a different case and AML as an individual case. So now we can investigate both the cases in parallel or one case at a time. I will close this tab to show you how the cases appear here. Here you can see the fraud in AML case, the AML case, and the fraud case appearing individually. Now that we need to see there's a task of investigate case created in both the fraud case and the ML case as well. We can see the same tabs appearing in the ML case. You can go to the task log and see an investigate case task appearing here. Same goes for the fraud as well. Same, you can see the same investigate task appearing here. So these cases, so this is what it appears to be for the case creation approval. Now these cases are ready for assignment. Let's talk about the rejection of the case in the next video. Thank you.